everyone. Welcome to another session of learning English with BodhiSutra. Today, we are going to take a look at conversation between two friends talking about Neeraj Chopra's Olympic gold. Let's begin. Hello, Sudhir. Hi, what's up? I am so happy today. Yeah? Tell me the good news. Neeraj Chopra won gold at the Olympics. Yes, I saw the match. I too did. He got the top two scores. Yes, his first and second throws were enough to get him the gold. This is so good. This was India's first ever athletics medal in Olympics. Yes, you should also do something great for the country. Well, I am not an athlete, but you don't need to be an athlete to do something for the country. True. So, I do my work well. Follow all rules. Pay my taxes in time. That's great. And do you know? Neeraj Chopra is an army man. Yes, he is a subedar in the army. This is a great thing about army. It helps you develop your talent. Yes, army has produced many sportsmen. They get good training facilities in the army. Yes, Chopra trained with the best trainers in the world. Yes, do you know who his current coach is? No. Who? Uwe Hohn of Germany. Okay. Yes. He is the only athlete to have thrown a javelin more than 100 meters. Really? Yes. He threw the javelin 104.80 meters in 1984. Wow! So, is he the current world record holder? Actually, no. But you said he is the only one to have thrown 100 meters? Indeed, he is. But in 1986, the javelin design was changed. Oh, okay. And so the records were restarted. So you mean his record is not counted? Not as an official record. Oh, that's sad. Not really. These things happen. You are right. And in a way, he is the eternal world record holder. Yes, because no one can throw longer than him now. Can you be 100% sure? Well, you cannot be 100% sure, but it is extremely difficult. That's true. But the day belongs to Neeraj Chopra. Definitely. True. You think this will bring an athletics revolution in India? I can't say, but it will definitely motivate many others. That's true. It will also motivate the government and corporates to invest more in athletics. That's true. So, we may have many more athletics medal winners from India. This is so good. Definitely it is. Okay, we'll take your leave. See you soon. Yep, bye. All right, so this was a conversation between two friends talking about Neeraj Chopra's Olympic gold medal win. I hope you enjoyed this conversation. For more such conversations, see you next time. Until then, bye.